Hello crawlers and welcome to Historic Pub Crawls, where I take you on a journey through towns and cities across the UK and even the world, exploring pubs and places and people along the way. Now, usually we follow one of the routes that you can find in my books, and today we're going to have a look at some of the pubs that you can find in my book Historic Pub Crawls Through England. Now, as you can see behind me, I am in St Albans, and typically what you'll find in these videos is some of the sites, some of the places as I go along, and then up to 12 pubs. I think there's 12 pubs on this route. It's been a while since I was last here researching for the book, but it's going to be a little bit different today because normally I've got my camera assistant with me, but at the moment it is CAMRA's AGM, I want to say. So all of the members of CAMRA are descending onto St Albans, and I say descending, their head office is here, so they haven't gone too far for that. And I have come to meet my friend Dale Harvey, who you probably know better as Great British Pub Crawl, who is standing for election for the National Exec. So we're going to hit some of the pubs together. I'll hopefully have a chat with him about what he's going to do to support our pubs and support the CAMRA organisation should he get elected. It's still not a definite, it's happening this weekend. And we'll hopefully meet some other cool people along the way. Who knows? It'll be a bit different from the regular format, but I hope you enjoy it and you stick around. And what I will do is at the end of this video, probably put on some of the pub videos, or at least put them into a playlist so that you can go through all of the individual pubs one by one, so that when you have got a copy of my book, Historic Pub Crawls Through England, you'll know exactly what to expect when you come out here to St Albans, one of the best pub places on the planet. Bit of a good news story before I get on to the first, well, before I get on to going to meet the chaps and ladies at the event. This place was closed down last year. I think it closed down for about 6 months, which was a real shame. It's like pub number 9 on my route around St Albans, and it's always sad to see a pub go. Great news though is that it is now quite clearly reopened. New owners, pretty much the same looking pub. It was quite good fun, big sports pub, big beer garden. Yeah, what good news. It's not often you see that. Pub closes and then reopens without it being turned into flats. Great stuff. Right, this is inside the CAMRA's conference, something like that. I don't know. I'm 3 pints in. We're going to hit the pubs in a minute and explore a little bit. I think Mad Squirrel probably is a good one. They're £4 pints. That's pretty rare for this Londoner. You will see some of the pubs that are it's full of a lot of old people. Not very many women, but I mean, not that I'm exactly on the pull at a CAMRA event. That would be literally the worst thing to do ever. But I am here in support of my friend Dale, who behind me is somewhere in here, wearing his Meta Ray glasses. There you go. Look, there he is, looking handsome. And hopefully he's going to win tomorrow and sit on a national exec for CAMRA. We shall see. But we've got no time for that. We've got pubs to go to, and that's where I'm going to be going next. Well, I was definitely going to try and do a little bit more of a vlog around this that would be a little bit more like, I'm in a Wetherspoons, which is unusual for me. I have been told that I'm going to be in Norfolk Nips soon, which is a bit strange. And we just smashed the pint in the local Wetherspoons here, which is weird because there's so many different places in St Albans. They are so great. And we're about to go, I think, to the Mad Squirrel. I have got Dale here. He is still on the quest to be elected to the National Committee. There's lots of people around. This is definitely not the video I thought it was going to be. Anyway, what I'm hoping to try and show you is a little bit of St Albans, proving to be a bit of a struggle. Okay, right, fuck that. Okay, we're done, next pub. This is like a meta video. It's a video within a video because the video is of Dale making a video of a pub. And I've just ruined his video. See, that was it. It was a shit video. And it was a meta video. There you go. That was he's still filming himself. I am. I'm ruining his photo. Where are we going, Dale? The boot, mate. Okay, are we going to get in? Do you think it's pretty busy? It's quite small. Already gone in? Okay. Pint in the boot?
Yeah, you do 12, then I normally go out after that for a few beers.
Right, but we haven't done that so far.
No, we haven't, no.
I just thought I'd like rock up to support you.
Thank you, mate.
Because you're going to win tomorrow. There's no space on CAMRA.
We'll see, we'll see.
And then we're going to hit a few pubs, right?
Yeah.
Now we're in a boot. Look how small the boot is.
Yeah.
That is, like, we're not tall guys.
My hair is on the seat, look.
Unless it's real hair as well. Just to be clear, that is his real hair. So we've hit the Wetherspoons. We're now in the boot.
Yeah. I did the Saint and Sinner in the middle while they were all drinking up.
This is what St Albans looks like in the city. Look, that's the clock tower. I think that was as wonky as my brain is right now. Trying to show that. Down to Peahen, down there. Very, very good, lively pub. I think that's pub like number 5 or 6. We kind of loop around. Let's not get fucking hit by a car. But that's a great place. That was where I learned the gin game down in the Peahen, which is where everyone buys a round of gin, and well, everyone buys like however many shots for every single person, and there's one shot of gin and loads of shots of water, and everyone has to pretend or hide the fact that they are the ones that have the gin until you find out who has the gin. And then the final round that you do, everyone has the gin. It's a fantastic game. I definitely recommend it. This is St Albans Abbey. It's beautiful. And this is a little tap room called the Mad Squirrel. Big prime mutton made a football shirt with these guys. And look at this. Look. Let's walk past all of the camera people. Look, there's some camera people. And there is the Abbey behind me. And this is the Mad Squirrel. Come on, there you go. Right, that's it. Probably not the finest shot I'm going to take you that. But number 2 on the route in England. If you haven't got it already, then I would say that one, and it's absolutely chock-a-block for the people tonight. Sorry, this probably hasn't been the best video I've ever shot. Well, I think I probably did a very bad job of trying to showcase St Albans tonight. I've no idea with these videos, not quite a good idea of following the routes that you can find in the book. And there are 12 pubs along the way, and there's some amazing pubs. But really today was just a bit of an adventure because I was walking around backwards to some of the pubs, and obviously I'm quite pissed because you've been singing all night. Yeah. You've got the girls singing now as well. Yeah, he's got loads of girls. Sorry about it. I'm a TikTok guy apparently. Here we go. Go on then. Let's get them on. Honestly, I gave this guy a $5 earlier because he was singing outside here, and that was about 3 hours ago, and he's still singing. It's about 12. Follow your dreams, kids. Follow your dreams.
Well, I'm probably far too incoherently drunk to try and make any attempt at... Oh shit, I haven't even got a fucking mic switch.
This is a terrible way to end a video. I didn't really plan to do it anyway. But I did say reasonably early on that I'd probably end up at the Robin Hood to get one of their pickled eggs. And I did. I went for a jerk-style pickled egg. Best pickled egg selection in the country. And I've got a beer that's about 8%, which is truly horrific. What a good night. I hope you've enjoyed following along, and this will be part of a playlist that will feature all of the pubs on the route that I didn't go to today because I've been here before, and I came here before on a day when I wasn't actively going out and filming the 4 routes. So we filmed all of the pubs. That's the videos you can see on the playlist. And yeah, I'm sorry for making a shit video. You can get an entire route of pubs in my book, Historic Pub Crawls Through England. And normally, if you follow the rest of my routes and you want to have a look at the rest of my channel, you will see that we do go and visit all of the pubs on the route. That wasn't the case today. It really was just an ad hoc video. My friend Dale was putting himself forward for the national exec for CAMRA, and hopefully by the time this video goes out, Dale from Great British Pub Crawls will be part of the national exec for CAMRA, and CAMRA will be in a position where it might be able to make some changes and hopefully move forward as an organisation that means that it can better support our pubs, our beers, our people. Now it's time for me to head home. It's a long way.